Maple syrup is an iconic Canadian food and has become a national symbol easily identified by people from across the globe. Many don't realize how maple syrup is harvested, created, and what it is used for in Canada. The first step in making maple syrup is actually harvesting the maple sap itself. You can probably guess what tree the sap comes from. It is indeed the maple tree. The sap begins to appear usually in late winter, early spring, and holes are drilled into the tree to access the sap. A device known as a spile is then inserted and sap flows through this into an attached hanging bucket. Once sap has been accessed, it needs to be boiled down to be processed into maple syrup. Filtration should follow the boiling, and then it is all ready to be bottled. As you likely already know, maple syrup is a common condiment to use with breakfast foods. These include pancakes, waffles, French toast, and even bacon. It can also be used in other ways, such as a flavoring for more savory dishes or as an element in a cocktail. But there is one very unique and Canadian way to use maple syrup. It is especially common in the wintertime and in the province of Quebec. This is maple taffy. Maple taffy is a sort of maple candy on a popsicle stick. It is made by pouring maple syrup that is not quite fully boiled onto snow and then wrapping it around the popsicle stick. It's very simple to make and a fan favorite of Canadian ski fans, as well as a favorite for Carnival attendees in Quebec. Maple syrup is a delicious condiment, flavoring, and Canadian candy, but is also much more than this. Maple syrup is a symbol of the Canadian identity, and it brings families to celebrate Canadian events such as the Quebec Carnival or out onto the snow-covered deck of the ski lodge. If you're in Canada, do not forget to test out the wintertime delicacy maple taffy. It's an exceptional winter creation. Thank you all for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and like our video at our YouTube channel, Canada International Student Magazine, and further check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Official CISM. Bye everyone!